Ka District Disaster Management Authority DDMA Ribhoi District Mentagasngi Kalasam ki Emergency Response Kits Shaki Shispa Nyo Prangwat ki Aapda Mitra volunteers ki balasha pentibet kerpang bandong ki noyarap bandingkong hakipor bawanra jingma ki jingjia na ki bor maryang ber kiwe ki jingjia bakarki kini ki Aapda Mitra volunteers ki dei ki nong tremons ngobha ki balasha ajing hikai kerpang halor ki rukom ajing yarap bat jingada hakipor baja ki jingjia baper khamtam hakipor bashakta ki padba naga jingwan ki jingsha lungshop ki bor maryang knang bala ban ajing yarap mardor ki padba hakipor badon kam Kitiar ki badan hapo kini ki emergency response kits ki kenthop kitiar jingarap bat jingada baper ki bala ban pendan kam hakikam penyo jingarap bat jingada ki palba hakipor bajia ki jingja bakarki kejingsam ya kini ki emergency response kits kalong ka we ni ki senjam ban penklan ya kajing penkre hakipor baja ki jingja bakarki khnang ba ki Aapda Mitra volunteers kin la ban trelang bat ki bor senshar bat ki kenhun jingarap baper ban ai jingarap mardor ya ki palba Hagani ke jingelang sa mikini ki emergency response kits kabala penlong ha district library nongpo lawan ban sakhilang da UMLA ke nongpo constituency ba Mirror Bonds rengkat ke kong bala kenti rani ADC uba J Mautho district disaster management officer Ribhoi uba BK Swear deputy controller civil defense nongpo lembat ki shispa nyobu prangut ki Aapda Mitra volunteers.
Welcome the program officer of the NSS Bharat Scout and Guide scheme, whose guidance and technical support have been instrumental
to all our Yuva Mitras for making this program a grand success. Thank you.
Personnel and other official from district administration, the Asha, Angawadis, these are the people who are really at the ground, who respond during those hard times that as a citizen that we have been through. For COVID, kibadan Hamadan, ki police uniform, kitong tray, yung health department, ki Asha, Anganwadi, ki Home Guard, Civil Defense, Rangbashnong, civil society, they are on the ground to ensure that medical supply will reach to those people who really need, to ensure that food supply will reach to those people who really don't have anything at home. These are collective effort to each and every one of us as a responsibility to respond to this kind of challenges that we encounter. Now today we are here on this very program where this kit will be distributed to all of you so that we can position ourselves whenever it is needed that we have to respond. We are there at the very first hour of what is happening at the ground. Just in the morning of the 21st of July, all of us will remember on the 28th there's a final football, World Cup final football. Heavy rain during that night. In the early morning of the 21st, I cannot imagine that Umling village, very near to us, it is flooded. like anything. 2-3 locality within Umling village, the water level reached till here, their vehicles submerged, house submerged, all documents damaged, school certificate, books, shoes, uniform, nothing left. Nobody could imagine, even the local resident of Umling, they told me we have never experienced such kind of flood in our life. It is the first time. So what is our duty? How do we respond? In the middle of the night or 3-4 o'clock in the morning? Suddenly happened. There is no place to escape. So this kind of effort that has been imparted upon the citizen, the SDMA, the DDMA within the state and the district are there to impart training to each and every one of you as volunteers who are present here today, to ensure all citizens that come what may the situation come, we are there at the ground to respond. The duty of each and every one of us, I'm not wrong to say that you have had a training of almost more than 7 days, 7 news needed, how to respond to the situation, suddenly maybe earthquake, maybe the cyclone, maybe rain, maybe other kind of natural calamity that happen. So we have to position ourselves. Now, keeping in mind the initiative taken by the central government through the NDMA as well as the state and the district. Today we are here at the district level to distribute these kits to all of you, keeping in mind what is our duty as a citizen of this country.
Ya, ini dia. Saya kini bertap plus. Bertap mak yang kita pelan.
Come on, everyone, please. Let's everyone give a big round of applause.
Yep.